Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to watch the one of the quote embroidery that I did. So basically first I used to create it on the A4 sheet for the ideation that how I want to be on it, and then I starting taking the measurement so that the all the design comes together and at a in the middle, or that as I have planned. So yeah, so first I started just tracing the pattern that what I wanted to create here. So as you can see, I'm just copying what I did, like ideate on it. So first I did and the enjoy, and then little things a little. Okay, so basically you can do it with a perfect measurement, like use the scale and then scale it out, like measure it, draw a straight line and then put it, because that's where you will get it a perfect if you are starting it for the first time. But अगर आप इसको आप trained हो, you know actual things, then you try it without this measurement and all. So as you can see here, so I have just basically traced all the pattern over here with my own hand. Again, you can trace it with the use of carbon, white carbon, that is easily available in the market. You can always go and buy it and then trace it. So as it is done, so first I started using a paint over here. So in the paint I chosen two color. First is in yellow. So you can see I have divided the hoops into two parts. So as you can see, enjoy above of it I have taken yellow, and then below of enjoy I have taken brown color. So I'm just coating it with the. Okay, so here you will got confused, oh, where is my design? So I just then again I highlighted it through the uses of pencil, so you can also do that. Okay, so one thing that I changed in the below part is that in below part I have written one another quote, be the best you. So I just erased it because it was looking so much clumsy. It was looking good on the A4, but when I trace it on, I find it not as much good as it. So you can change anything in the middle of the process if you don't like it. So sometimes when you start using it, then you realize, oh my god, oh, it's not looking nice and all. So you can always change it. So it's on your design. So then I started creating an enjoy. So I have taken a very color coded combination over here, like on yellow, or even on the brown, the blue shade is looking very nice. So I just taken that blue shade and I have done the simple chain stitch over here. So chain stitch, but that was not a very broad one, that was in a very compacted chain stitch I did. And then I created first the enjoy using it, as you can see, and then after doing it, then I have taken the shades of blue, that is in sky blue, you can say. Yep. And so I've taken that thread, and then I started writing the little. You know what, even if you put this embroidery thread till here, then also your embroidery will look very nice, and it will come out very great. And even you can also put some different flowers, or might be nothing, or might be something like a sky or kind of a thing, that will also look good. So then here I started using my flowers, sunflower basically. So basically first I have created this middle part with two designs. So first I am just putting it through the straight line, as you can see, and then I'm just weaving it giving it a net like structure. So first I just created and the vertical one, then in the horizontal one, sorry, and then the vertical one I was just putting the alternate threads. As you can see, I'm not stitching it, I'm just crossing the needle from one leaving or with the alternate threads. So this is the same process I just did for all the for the design that I've for the middle part. And I have taken the brown shade for it, because yes, it is in yellow, and again the brown shade will give you a very good combination here. So this is how I created, and then I started creating my sunflower basically. So here I thought that I have to extend it. So then I extended it, and then I told you I have created the two middle parts. So as you can see here, I only created a vertical one, and then I just putting a small horizontal line. So this is also very nice, like a middle part came from it, like bird, you can say, and this was looking, both of the design, both of the method was equally beautiful on their own. But you can try both of them, and both of them will give you a very good, you can sense it like when you create it. And those two is really looking nice. So now I just highlighted my flower embroidery. You can see, like, just wanted to highlight it, and then just with the satin stitch I uses creating. So basically you take 5 in a one petal, or maybe if you want to create a very small one, then take 3. So always take it in the odd one, or when you'll take it the odd one satin stitch in the flower, now it will really come beautiful. So as you can see, I have just repeated this process for whole of the embroidery, and then using it I just created this sunflower. And you won't believe it was looking so much nice. The customer that I gave him this, she is like, oh my god, sad. Oh, the each and everything on this coat embroidery she liked about it. So she has given me the review also, so it was a very nice. Okay, so then I again same process, you can but this one was a very small flower, and the petals also you can count it and do it. So you see that how beautiful it's looking, the flower. So it was looking really very beautiful. So after finishing it, I just thought ki okay, the below part was looking really empty, so I just created a small green color shaded like a serves a plant, that is on the ground. So I just created that using again the chain stitch, and then I have just also given some flower to it, put some flower to it. You can make it more dense, but I have kept it a very spacious, because I like things like that. But it is on you can keep it a very one line flower leaves also. So I have also shared the leaf pattern design. So where there I also mentioned that where you can use which type of leaf. So you can go to my that link and just create it. So yeah, as you can see here, I just created this all small pattern over there, and then I just put it given it a knot type flower on all the stem part of it. So this is how I just created it, and then with the on different colors, basically knot type I have given. So I first given the like white, then red, then yellow, then blue also. It was look good, but I didn't mention do it, but you can do it. So this is how, like, I was just putting a knot type flower over here, and then I've just finished it with it. And believe me, this was looking really nice. And some of the leaf pattern I also left, because I thought ki then it will look more, I like a very open space. So this is the final product that I created, and it was looking really nice. The customer was very impressed, and this is a real, like, very beautiful, very neat and clean, and the total embroidery, as you can see. So if you like this coat embroidery, please subscribe to my channel, please like this video, and let me know in the comment box how did you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, take care.